Alright, well, hello, YouTube and everybody else out there that's actually watching this little video that I'm making here. This is Milltown Tubes 414, and same as my eBay seller name, Milltown Tubes 414. I'm just doing this little video of my vacuum tube test station. Back up here. It's a little bit of a mess. I've got a lot of tubes. Got a test on my Hickok 800 dynamic mutual conductance tube tester and resistor tester. I don't know if the resistor tester side works. I'm not gonna test resistors. I'm a tube guy. As we can tell, I have a Mullard ECC 83 tattoo on my arm, man. So I'm definitely a tuber for life. So yeah, just let me show that off. So all right, anyways, here, let's get back to here. Now up here is actually a little customized, one of a kind little power source station that me and my father whipped up in the wood shop slash garage. There's my my variac, an older Lafayette variac. I got that mounted, as you can tell, and then I have on and off switch, and then an LED panel meter for the volts and the amps. And then we have a little 4 sockets over there, so whatever you're bringing up the par of power with your variac, plug it in. As right now I have my Hickok tester plugged in. So yeah, volts, amps. This here is the on and off switch where, here, I'll turn it off, and then boom, there's no power going to the sockets at all. So we'll flip it back on, and then boom, that actually shows it's only pulling what, 0.3 amps. So, and as well, I know everybody don't know, but variac you can actually control, because as we all know, your regular outlet in a wall, you plug it in and you got straight power that's blasting into your whatever you're plugging into. But when you're dealing with this older vintage electronic stuff, it's been sitting for years, and you just want to be safe and slowly power it up with the variac, and you can definitely just control it and everything. So it's definitely a good piece if you're messing with any kind of tube sword, like little tabletop tubes, or any older electronical stuff. You're just be a little bit smarter to slowly power it up than just plugging in a wall. Because if you plug in a wall, you can start popping, resistors, capacitors, anything can happen. It's a scary situation. So, yeah, so let's go down here to the old Hickok 800 here. As we have a 6SN7 GTA on the firing station, getting fired up. And as you can tell, here's another little panel meter, and that panel meter is actually popped right into here. The leads, that's for a modification that my buddy Marty helped me with, taught me, for the milliamps MA. So you can because when I do my testing, I get the milliamps, and I give them the milliamps. I mean, nope, the micromoles, mutual conductance, and then the MA to milliamp results. So, yeah, and that piece of paper was there when I've purchased this Hickok 800 off of a gentleman on eBay. During the shipping, the packaging was beautiful. That was no problem. It was just when it, just got banged up and all that, and found out that the rectifier, the 83 tube, there's an 83 and then there's a 5Y3 tube inside this Hickok 800, and the 83 tube got shorted. So, I ended up putting another 83 tube in there, and then my buddy Marty, I'm just so thankful that Marty's a real cool guy. He knows this shit, man, about any of this electronical stuff. To me, he's a genius, man. He's the one we actually, after we put the better new old stock 83 tube in here, we had to recalibrate it and everything, and it was a very cool experience. I was actually glad that he, taught me how to do it, man. And it was, like I said, it was a blessing. I thank God for Marty, man, because otherwise I was going to end up shipping this somewhere and then getting charged, whatever they were going to charge me to recalibrate it and all that stuff, man. But yeah, so we didn't get the power source from the tester itself, just because of nothing. No accidents at all or shortages or nothing like that. So we actually just got it hooked up to a Wabash on a little power pack that's just plugged in his own power source. And that outlet there's nothing. It's all on its own breaker right in the breaker box here. So there's nothing else that's pulling off of that, just except what you see right here. So, alright, we got everything set here for all the settings. I'm just going to go through the 6SN7 testing results here. I just wanted to make a little video of my tube testing station. And, but, while we're at it here, let's, see how this 6SN7 tests. I don't know how good can we get. But average new old stock is 2600 on the mutual conductance micromos, and minimum is what was it? Where'd it go? 1690. Now, to find the minimum, you wanted to multiply the average new old stock by 0.65. So that's how you get the minimum if you don't know. So I pretty much just wrote all mine down just to make sure here. So make sure that we're dead on right there. We're dead on. Good to go. Alright, so here's one side. Ooh. So it's showing 2350 at 7.9. 2350 at 7.9. So I'm just gonna write that down. 2350 at 7.9. And then let me flip so we can do the other side, because the 6SN7 is a twin triode. 210 3 5. Okay, line test again. Alright, we're dead on. And what do we got here again? Wow, it's about 20. It's very close to the 2350. It's I'm gonna put it down at 2345 at 8. So that's pretty. 23. 2345 at 8. So that's very, very close of a very good 6SN7 tube. So you just slowly, gently take these things out, because any of these Yeah, and this is kind of a cool one too, because this one's got a it's got the double-sided D-getter. This is made in 48th week of 1954. So yeah, this is definitely an older tube, and like I said, the new old stock, average new old stock is 2600 for the mutual conductance, and we're actually at 2350 at one side, and then 2345. So man, that's that's awesome. That's a very good testing tube there. So all right, like I said, I just wanted to just make this little video of my tube testing station. Hope you guys enjoy it. I will be making more videos of my vintage electronic. Like I said, everything's tube related, as you can tell. And like I said, don't worry about the mess. I'm just I got a lot of tubes to retest, because before I was just using my my NRI Model 70, and that's just a general emissions tester here. So now we got a Cadillac as a tube tester, the old Hickok 800, where you can still test general emissions, mutual conductance, and with my modification that my buddy Marty helped me with, the milliamps. And man, got it all covered. So thank you everybody for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more vintage electronic videos I will be making in the future. So just keep those tubes glowing, gentlemen. Have a good day.